How to upload a video on Bluesky. What's up everybody? In this tutorial we are going to learn how you can easily upload any kind of video on the Bluesky social app. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick like and hit the subscribe button as well. Now, let's begin. First thing you need to do is make sure that you have Bluesky application installed, and then you are just going to open the application. Once you open up the app, make sure to log into your account. As you can see, I am already logged in. And once you are logged in, you will land on this home page where you will see this edit or the pencil icon at the bottom right of your screen. Once you tap on it, it will take you to a page where you can create any kind of post. And at the bottom of your screen, you will have different options like your gallery. You can choose video. You can take an immediate picture. You can select a GIF. So you're just going to tap on the gallery option. And if you want to select the video, you are just going to select the second option. So here it will pop out all of the available videos on your device. You're just going to find the video that you want to upload. So here I have selected a random video from my camera roll which I want to upload on my Bluesky. So if you want to add any kind of caption, you can do that as well. And I'm just going to do that right now. So once you create your caption, what you need to do is you can also create an alt text for this video or any image that you upload, then tap on post, and once the processing is complete, it will be posted on your profile. So if you go ahead and check your profile, it should have been published on your profile. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.